Are you looking to make passive income using AI? Check this out. This TikTok account is making well over $25,000 a month, easily. You could potentially create multiple such TikTok accounts to multiply your earnings. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's just another one of those time-wasting videos. But how about you? Listen to me for just 2 minutes and then decide. Today, I'm here with a proven method for earning passive income using TikTok and AI. You don't need any TikTok creativity program for this, nor do you need a certain number of followers or views. The method I'm about to share will allow you to start earning right from the start. This is a no BS method that, frankly, I'm surprised I've decided to reveal this early. This is a tested and proven blueprint that I and many other creators are using to build an uncapped earning resource that, once established, runs on autopilot, and all you have to do is count the numbers increasing in your bank account. Make yourself comfortable, as I'm about to show you how you can create and monetize your very own dropshipping business in the most easiest way possible. Now, there are 2 types of dropshipping stores: multi-product and single product. I always prefer single product stores as they're easier to create, sell, and manage. Take a gander at this TikTok account, for instance. This account is absolutely slaying it right now with a smart door lock handle. His entire account is homed in on this single product. As evident from his bio link to his pretty slick store. He's retailing this product for about $80. Circling back to his TikTok account, notice the robust view count. Let's crunch some numbers using just one of his videos, boasting over 1 million views. From my own experience running a similar store, I estimate that out of these 1 million views, probably 2% of the people went to his store, which is about 20,000 people. The average conversion rate for a dropshipping store is around 3%, so if we do the math, 3% of 20,000 is 600. So we can assume 600 people bought his products at the price of $80, which earned him $48,000 in total. If you can spare a few minutes to watch this video till the end, you will thank yourself later for investing your time into this video that really gave you a boundless way of generating cash flow even when you sleep. Now let's figure out the net profit from this revenue. Take a look. The original cost of the product is around $30. Multiply that by the 600 sales, and then subtract this expense from the total revenue. This calculation reveals that a single video brought in a profit of $30,000. But here's another interesting fact. Even with just a few thousand views, you could be earning around $5,000 per month. Sure, it's not a one-click magic solution, but it's definitely one of the easiest ways to earn online. However, it requires dedication and is ideal for those who are serious about breaking free from the rat race and willing to put in the effort. If that sounds like you, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how you can do the same. First things first, find a product to sell. This is a crucial step. Choose a product with no demand, and it's a dead end. But don't worry, there are many ways to discover best-selling products. Here's a simple trick. Open TikTok and search for Amazon Finds. Or TikTok made me buy. You'll find a plethora of products that people are successfully selling. A good strategy is to emulate what's already working. If these products are being promoted, it's a clear indication that they're profitable. Opt for a product that resonates with you. It'll make the next steps of the journey much more engaging for you. After you've chosen your product, the next step is sourcing it for shipment. I personally use Dropshipping for this, as it has a vast array of products, many of which you've seen on TikTok. For instance, let's search for Smart Door Lock Handle. And there it is, a product listed directly from the supplier. When I first ventured into dropshipping, AliExpress was my go-to. However, I moved away from it due to the long shipping times, which can be a turnoff for buyers who don't want to wait 30-40 days for delivery. Dropshipping, on the other hand, delivers products within 7 business days. It's also a great platform to discover new, trendy products, as it's updated daily. To launch your store, you need 2 key elements: a landing page and a domain name. Let's focus on the domain name first. Your domain name is your identity on the web. Think of it as your store's very own ID on the internet. Check this out. Rihanna has Rihanna.store, Shopify is doing its thing at Shopify.com, and Behance is chilling at Behance.net. See the ending of those links? That part, like .store, .com, or .net, is what's called the domain extension. It's like the unique tag that sets each website apart. For e-commerce dropshipping, I recommend domains with .store at the end. It's been shown to boost sales significantly. A year-long study found that websites with a .store domain extension attract 87% more visitors, translating to more sales and profits for you. It clearly signals to customers that they can shop with you, enhancing your online presence. Store is a frequently searched term, so having it in your domain is a smart move as you can sell more with it. You also get 12% less cost per conversion when running ads to a website that ends with a .store domain, and it tells your customers right away that they've stumbled upon an online store. It's like having a neon sign right outside your store that allows you to clearly stand out from the competition. Here's some exciting news. I've partnered with .store domains to offer my audience a special discount. For a limited time, you can get your domain for just 99 cents for the first year using my special link and coupon code AIGSTORE from the description below. And if all of that was not enough, using .store domains gives you access to discounts up to $2,500 on extremely essential e-commerce tools like Wix, ShipStation, Vistaprint, MailChimp, Suna, and many more. It's fair to say that it really pays off to be with .store domains. For building your store, Shopify is the go-to platform in the world of e-commerce dropshipping. It's user-friendly, quick to set up, and offers a wide range of ready-to-use themes that can be installed with just one click. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a programmer to get your store up and running on Shopify. It's pretty straightforward. Aim for a clean, minimalist store design that's easy to navigate, much like the one I showed you earlier. As a starting point, you can even replicate the style of that landing page, and you'll be all set. Once you've picked a trendy product, built your store, and secured a domain, the next smart step is to subscribe to AI Genesis for more insights like these, and don't forget to sign up for my newsletter where I share AI tips, tricks, and workflows. Now it's time to get creative with your product. Order it to your home and start making TikTok videos. Remember, creativity is key here. You can ride the wave of current trends and use popular songs to maximize your video's exposure. I suggest posting 2-3 TikToks daily, showcasing the product or its benefits, and use cases in creative ways. This stage may require brainstorming or drawing inspiration from other creators to craft viral TikToks. And here's the best part. You don't need to show your face, just the product in action. Professional videography or editing skills aren't necessary, as user-generated content, UGC, is what people are gravitating toward nowadays. This method is incredibly effective because people tend to trust recommendations from smaller content creators more than big companies' ad promotions. And that's a wrap. If you're interested in a detailed, step-by-step tutorial showing everything from scratch to building a complete store right before your eyes, drop a comment below and I'll make it happen. Be sure to follow me on Twitter and join my Discord community for more insights. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching till the end. If you're curious about another cool AI workflow, check out this next video.